Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to our new 2016 Freightliner Columbia Glider. Glider is a brand new truck that comes from the factory. The factory installed pre-emission Detroit Series 60. As you can see, the truck is absolutely brand new. This particular model is a mid-roof with a single bed. We also have Columbia day cabs, Coronados, and Cascadias available as well. This one has some upgrades to it: heated seats, bunk door, polished 150-gallon tanks. You'll see it's a regular muffler on the back. There's no after treatment. New AccuRide wheels. The frame is new. Comes with a 6-year warranty from Freightliner. Actually, everything on the truck is new, with the exception of the powertrain, which is all factory rebuilt with factory warranty. Give you a good shot of the truck here. Okay. We'll take a look under the hood. This is the biggest selling feature. If you take a look under here, you'll see one of the best engines ever made, the Detroit Diesel Series 60. This one here, as you see on the documents, 430, 470. That's 430 on the pedal, 470 on cruise. Rebuilt by Detroit Diesel. They stripped this engine down. They put all new parts. If you look at it, you'll see everything's been remachined. They helicoil any of the studs, and you'll see it's a new truck. The important part is on this side. Single turbo, no DPF, no DEF, no EGR, nothing. So the main selling feature of this is reliability. You'll have a truck that, if you have a failure, is going to be easy to fix. You'll see there's no after treatment on this. Not only is it easy to fix, but it's cheap to repair, and it's super reliable. I'm going to start this thing up. Actually, I'm going to leave the hood open, and we'll start it up and let you have a listen. Most of you probably forget what this sound is like. Take a look under the hood. Okay. 91 kilometers on this truck. That's part of our, it came with 0. We road test it, do an alignment after final assembly. So contrary to some people who've spoken about gliders, they're not illegal. They are brand new trucks. They come with, in our case, if you buy the truck from St. Catharines Freightliner, we're actually going to factory install the engine in this particular truck, and then we're going to supply a fully rebuilt Eaton transmission and a fully rebuilt axles. They come with 3 years, 500,000 kilometers warranty, as well as the clutch is covered and the engine is covered by Detroit. The truck itself is going to come with a 1-year factory warranty, the same as any other new truck that you would buy from a Freightliner dealer. We have 2 in stock right now, 2016 models. Give us a call for pricing and a road test. We'll talk soon.